And for the next stage we have a really nice fun product that I really enjoyed. I tested it out and I'm very happy I did. This Ma-Fra Power Shampoo. Super concentrated. Smells like strawberries. And it's like you're in an Italian ice cream saloon. And yeah, it takes me to Italy. It takes me to the vacation period. And I really like how it smells. And its cleaning capabilities are also very good. I mean, look at this nice Italian foam. Molto bene. And very slick also. And if you have a very nice paint on your car, I mean, this is just a standard white paint, but imagine you have some wrap, some very expensive metallic paint. This is the type of shampoo I recommend because it's very slick and cleans very well, and it smells fantastic. Let me know if you've tried Ma-Fra, or in general what's your favorite shampoo to clean and protect your paint. And I always really like to use this one bucket method because I find it easy, and then I know for sure I don't get scratches. I just use this sponge to put, let's say, the product on the panel, and then I take multiple of these wash mitts and I just clean everything right off. See, here's the traffic film, and boom, there's the Ma-Fra, and everything is gone. Super nice. I continue with the whole car and then I'll show you the final result. As I'm being indulged with these strawberries, this nice Italian scent. I don't know, I think the Italian word for strawberry is, I don't know actually what it is, maybe fresche. Let me know what it is. And it just goes right off. And you can see here how the dirt is no match for this shampoo. And I'm so happy to see the original color of my car again. I think my wife and my son are going to find this fantastic.